Hello, friends! Look at this ABC truck! Let's rebuild this ABC truck.
Okay, friends, let's sort these letters from A to Z. Oh, look, friends, we have an ABC truck. Whoa! Check it out. Look at this cool ABC truck. It looks like the truck is going to grab all of these ABC letters from A to Z. Let's sort them out. Okay, friends, can you please help me find A? Okay, friends, we have G and A. Which one goes first? Yes, it is this one. Because is it in the color red? A. So let's place the A right here. Nice. We have our first letter, A. Now, what comes after A? Is it B? Let's go ahead and grab B. Whoa, nice. Look at this orange B color. B. So let's place it right next to A. Okay. Now, what comes after B? Is it V? No. Is it C? Oh, look, C is right there. It was a little bit hidden. Okay, there is C, so I'm going to grab it. Whoa! This is the letter C. It's in the color yellow. C. So let's place it starting on the back of the truck now. Now we have A, B, and C. Good job. Now, what comes after C? Is it D? If you said D, you are correct. Good job. Let's grab D. And it's in the color... D is in the color green. Good job. So let's place it right next to C. Nice. So what comes after D? Is it X? No. No. Is it E? Yes, it is E. So let's grab our letter E. And our E is in the color blue. Just like that. Okay, friends, what comes after E? Okay, is it F? Yes, good job. Amazing. So let's grab our F. Whoa. And our F is in the color purple. Good job. F, purple. So let's place it right next to E. Now we have A, B, C, D, E, and F. So what comes after F? Because this is not the whole alphabet, we still have so many more letters left. Okay, so what comes after F? If you said G, good job. And this is in the color red. G is in the color red. So let's place it right on top of A because A and G are the same red column, red line. Nice. So what comes after G, friends? A, B, C, D, E, F, G, and H. Good job. So let's find letter H. Where is letter H, friends? Oh, I see it. It was really hidden. And H is in the color orange. Look at that beautiful color. Whoa. Nice. So let's place it right next to G. Whoa, this is so cool. So now we have H. What comes after H? If you said I, you're correct. Let's see, where is I? It's right there. Do you see it? Nice. Letter I. And letter I is in the color yellow. It's so bright. Look at that. Yellow. So let's place it right there on top of C because it is the yellow. They're same colors. Nice! You friends are doing so good. Okay, friends, now we have A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, and I. So what comes after I? Okay, and the answer is J. And J is in the color green. Nice. Okay, friends, what comes after J? It is letter K. Letter K, good job. And K is in the color blue. Nice. So let's place it right on top of E because they are the same blue color. Okay, friends, what comes after K? Good job. It is L. Nice. Letter L. And L is in the color purple, just like F. L. So let's place it right there. See how they're matching with colors? We have red, orange, yellow, green, blue, purple. Good job. So after L goes M. Let's find M. Oh, it's right there. It's hiding behind our truck. Let's grab our M. And M is in the color red. So let's place it, of course, in the red column. Good job, friends. What comes after M? Yes, it is N. Do you see N? Oh, it's right there. Let's grab it and put it on our ABC truck. So we have M, N, and then, oh, good job. You friends are so smart. Whoa, check this out. We need O, and it's so big. Look at this little guy. He's saying hello. Aw, so cute. So let's grab our O, and let's put it back. Nice. So let's place O next to N and on the yellow line, just like the rainbow colors. Good job, friends. What comes after O? Yes, it is P. And it is, of course, in the color green. Wow. Hey, friends, look at our ABC truck. It looks so cool. We have red, orange, yellow, green, blue, and purple, of course. Good job. So what comes after P? Yes, it is Q. So let's grab her. Oh, look, there is another person. It's a girl and she's saying hi. That is so cute. So let's grab Q from the blue column. Just like that. P and Q. Good job, friends. So, what comes after Q? Yes, it is R. R is hiding right there in the purple column. So let's place it right here. So cool! So many letters and colors. Nice. So, after R goes, yes, the letter S. It's right there. Do you see it? Wow, check it out. And of course, this is in the color red. Good job. See, it matches with G. Just like that. Good job, friends. You're doing awesome. Okay, what comes after S? Is it X? No, because it doesn't match the orange color. Do you see that? It belongs in the purple column. But first, we need to find letter T. So let's take letter T. I see it. It has an ABC book with it. That is so cute. So let's take our T, and of course, this is in the color orange. So let's place it right there. Good job. After T goes... Yes! Good job, friends! Letter U! So let's take it out and place it on the yellow, where the yellow is. Good job, friends. Amazing job. Look at all these colors. Wow. So after U goes... Ooh, I know. Is it X? No. Because we need a letter with green on it, not purple. Is it? I think I found it, friends. Is it V? And it's in the color green? Yes, this is correct. Letter V. So let's place it right there on the green column. Okay, friends, what comes after V? Yes, it is W. So let's grab our W. Nice. And let's place it where the blue column is. Look at that. U, V, W. Good job, friends. You're doing awesome. Okay, friends, we have W and then X. Great job. Now we have X. So let's place it in the purple column. Nice. Okay, friends, after X goes Y. Y. Okay, so let's place it where the yellow is. Just like that. Nice. Let's take this little guy and let's place him in the driving so he can drive these pretty ABCs. Aw, how cute. Okay, friends, we have Y. So what comes after Y? We have one more letter left, and that letter is Z. And it is in the color blue. Z. Let's place it right next to Y. And we also have this cute little girl. And let's place her next to Y. Or Z, actually. Right there. See? That is so cute. And we have this ABC book. As you can see, it says A, B, C. Cute. Let's place it right here. Nice. Good job. Okay, friends, let's sing a song about ABCs. I'll see you there. A is for apple, apple. B is for ball, ball. C is for cat, cat. D is for dog, dog. E is for egg, egg. F is for fish, fish. G is for goat, goat. H is for hat, hat. I is for ice, ice. J is for jam, jam. K is for key, key. L is for lion, lion. M is for milk, milk. N is for nose, nose. O is for owl, owl. P is for pen, pen. Q is for queen, queen. R is for rat, rat. S is for sun, sun. T is for toy, toy. U is for umbrella, umbrella. V is for van, van. W is for worm, worm. X is for xylophone, xylophone. Y is for yellow, yellow. Z is for zoo, zoo.
Wow, this was so much fun learning the ABCs with you, friends. Please give me a like and subscribe. I'll be so happy. I'll see you in my next video. Bye-bye.